In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a coaching playlist in HubSpot step by step. If you're using HubSpot to review sales calls, coach your team, or organize recorded conversations for training, playlists are one of the most powerful features you can use. They allow you to group calls together so managers, reps, or leadership can easily review specific conversations in one place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to set up your playlist correctly. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, log into your HubSpot portal. Once you're inside your dashboard, navigate to the top menu and click on Conversations. From the drop-down, select Calls. This will take you to the Calls Index page where all of your recorded and transcribed calls are stored. This includes calls made through HubSpot's calling tool or calls that have been recorded and logged through integrations. If this is your first time using the Calls feature, don't worry if the page looks empty. It simply means there are no recorded calls yet. As soon as your team starts recording and logging calls, they'll appear here automatically. On the Calls page, you'll see your list of conversations along with filters and management options. To create a coaching playlist, look for the option that says Create Playlist. Click on it. A setup panel will appear, prompting you to enter the details for your new playlist. The first thing you'll need to do is enter a playlist name. Choose something clear and specific. For example, you might name it Sales Objection Handling, Discovery Call Reviews, New Rep Training Calls, or Q1 Coaching Sessions. A descriptive name makes it easier for your team to understand the purpose of the playlist at a glance. Next, add a description. This is where you can explain what this playlist is for, what type of calls should be included, and who it's intended for. For example, you could write that the playlist contains examples of strong discovery questions or common objections and how top performers respond to them. Adding a detailed description is especially useful if multiple managers are creating playlists across the organization. After that, select the folder where you want this playlist to live. Folders help you organize playlists by team, department, or objective. For example, you might have separate folders for sales, customer success, or leadership coaching. Keeping things organized from the beginning will save you time as your library grows. Then choose who can see the playlist. HubSpot allows you to control visibility, so you can decide whether the playlist is visible to everyone, only specific teams, or certain users. This is important for maintaining privacy and ensuring that sensitive calls are only accessible to the right people. Carefully select the appropriate visibility settings based on your company's structure and coaching goals. Once you've filled in the playlist name, description, folder, and visibility settings, go ahead and click Create. And just like that, your coaching playlist is created. From here, you can start adding calls to the playlist by selecting relevant recordings from your calls dashboard. Over time, this becomes a powerful coaching library that managers can use during one-on-ones, team meetings, or onboarding sessions. Coaching playlists in HubSpot make it incredibly easy to centralize learning, highlight best practices, and improve team performance through real examples. Instead of searching through individual calls every time you want to teach something, everything is neatly organized in one place. And that's it. You now know exactly how to create a coaching playlist in HubSpot from start to finish. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss future HubSpot tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.